We're going live. What's up, everybody? Holy crap. Holy crap. It is May 23rd. This is our 5th stream of the month. Wow. I just got back from Miami after a week in Estonia, and it's been fun. I've had a great time. I think I'm still jet lagged. I think I'm still hungover. But I had to come show you guys I'm alive, show you that I'm still here. I missed you guys. I missed streaming. My energy is not the best. Not the best. It's already been a long day, but missed you guys. Missed you guys. So I had to come back. I don't know what we're going to do today. I don't know how many people are going to tune in. I don't really hype it up like I usually do, but what I can tell you is that we will be live tomorrow for the FOMC. Let's even look at this. We will be live tomorrow for the FOMC meeting minutes. That should be a good time. That's at 2 p.m. So it won't quite beat your pal. Maybe Tom Powell will make an appearance. You never know with that guy. He's busy. Something weird. This is weird. Apparently, Powell spoke today according to the event calendar, but I can't seem to find it on the internet. Did any of you guys see it? I looked on YouTube. I looked on like literally everything. Didn't find it. So I don't know if that's true. I don't know how much reality is there with the Powell speaking today. But what I do know is the FOMC meeting minutes will be broken down tomorrow. So it'll be a good stream either way. For sure. Let's see. Crude oil inventories tomorrow. That's it. We got GDP numbers coming out on Thursday, initial jobless claims, pending home sales, all things the Fed are looking at, core durable good orders, PCE price index, that's like wholesale inflation, and that'll wrap up the week. But we're back. That's the big thing. I did not plan a ton for you guys today. What I really planned on doing is hopefully just chatting with you guys. I don't know if I go too in depth with the old stories. They're not really as PG as our channel is. We are going to have a patron night. It's not going to be tonight. I said we might do it tonight. We'll do it tomorrow. I think what we'll do is we'll have a patron night on the Discord. I'll give more details tomorrow in the Discord, so you should join it if you're not in it. But we'll do like patron night, but we'll if you have a YouTube membership, we'll let you jump in as well. How's that sound? And I'll tell you guys the not YouTube friendly stories of Miami, and there are a lot of them. It was a good time. It's always a good time. Always a good time. So we're going to jump into, of course, the Crownanalysis. Check it out, crownanalysis.com. Brought to you by our awesome authors here, Mr.PAPI, who I'm going to be grabbing a beer with sometime next month with our weekly update. We're going to get into that. Maybe we'll look at some charts and stuff. I don't know, man. I don't know. I'm still readjusting. I will say this. I'm going to read the chat, but I will say this. Before I get into anything, Bitcoin has been incredibly well-behaved in my absence. Wildly well-behaved in my absence. Let's see. You know, I actually didn't realize it went down so far while I was there. Let's see. Came back the 11th. So that's when I was in Estonia. Looks bad, but really, what, a drop of 8%. Not that wild. Then I went to Miami the 17th, and here we are. So I actually thought this was a lot less volatile here. I was really distracted there, really jet-lagged. But at least in the Miami trip, Bitcoin didn't go anywhere. It's still just ranging where we've been. Kind of cool stuff or not so cool stuff is on the 12th. When I was sleeping from Estonia, we did get a run on the stops. And in previous streams, we did talk about how breaking 26.5 likely to see a stop run. And what we would look for is a strong bottom wick that would push price back up, basically rejecting that low breaking. I'm not going to say this is the strongest push up. We have seen 1, 2, maybe 3 more tests on the day of 26.5, 25. That is weakening it as support. But I don't really hate what we're seeing here. This doesn't actually look that bad. Just throw on a range. Today, looks like we broke that a little bit. Maybe that's even a perfect wick. Pretty much. 27.5 of the high of today. Really, though, the high in the range, 27.6. Until we break this, we're really just sitting here. I don't know. Kind of really basic, easy TA. Let me pull this up, see if I can find it. Where did it go? Did you hide my chart from me, sir? Nah, there it is. Zooming out. A long time ago, we looked at this trend line, dating all the way back to July 2017, the low of the previous bear market. And I wanted to basically just bring this up because I'm not going to bring it up every day. But that trend line really did end up holding in November. It almost got tested again in December, and we've been moving up since. We had some other theories on kind of what was going to happen here with this broadening pattern. I don't know. It's not really in play anymore. We fell back below into it, so we're going to be figuring out what's happening next. We had maybe a potential fractal. It didn't really play out either. Price is chilling. Volumes are very low. Last time we streamed, which I know was a while ago, but we did say, basically, looking at that 200 weekly moving average, if we're above it, I've been saying this like all year, even when we were below it. Above it, I'm bullish. Below it, I'm going to have a short-term or maybe even mid-term bearish bias. Weekly candles do seem to maybe be reversing here right off of that area. Market Cipher B, not looking very good, unfortunately. Great time to say it. Shout out to Fairdesk, Market Cipher, and FEMX, our sponsors. Link in the video description below. Sign up using my link for great honor and help support the channel. No more shilling. So on Bitcoin, hovering above the 200 weekly. If we look at total really quickly here, same thing, a little bit more leeway. Could mean that perhaps alts could do some dumping. Bitcoin, I'm not even going to get into that perhapses. Not even get into the perhapses. Really similar charts, but beginning to diverge a little bit here, just flipping back in between them. We can see total has retraced more, basically back to February's high, whereas Bitcoin has not yet, holding on a little stronger, and that, of course, will be reflected in dominance, which is just holding up, doing pretty much nothing. I will say I'm very grateful, very grateful that Bitcoin was so polite while I was gone. It didn't make me really FOMO. I didn't really feel like I had to stream. I finally got to relax for the first time. For those of you who don't know, Estonia was the first break from work I've taken in ever in 4 years. Period. First vacation. And it was a working vacation where I was mostly jet lagged, so not even a full vacation. But not much has happened. And that's why I wanted to come on today and just do a little chart and chill, let you know we'll be live tomorrow for the FOMC minutes, and just see what you guys are up to, how you're feeling. We got 108 votes on the poll. Go ahead, smash that. If you haven't liked the stream, help hype it up. If you have those little reaction buttons, I don't know if they do anything, but just for science, try smashing them a bunch. Make sure you subscribe, jump in the Discord, etc., etc. We do have a new subscriber during this stream. Stygen. Unexpected. What's up, Stygen? Welcome. Welcome, Stygen. Didn't expect to have a new subscriber today. We'll take it. All right, so I have not read the chat up until this point, but what I'm going to do is read the chat, and it looks like we are very low on participants. Not a surprise, as we really have not been streaming. But what's up, 808 Hawk, Alex Wells, Kryptonium, Dale Russell, DeFi Beast, Donato Cabrera, Evelyn Perez, Hendrik Kulinski, what's up, my dude? Moggy, the beautiful Moggy, MB, Meme Tix, Rohit Raj, Robot, Sir Mr. Jason, T&D Tesla, my boy, The Pickle, Wrench is coming in hot. Moggy, how do you not have a wrench? I swear to God you had a wrench. Thoth, Venom Hex, and Vish Hearts. It's an intimate group today. It's an intimate. If we get a little more engagement going, perhaps YouTube will send us more viewers. Moggy, is that your real account? Is that your real account, Moggy? Yeah, that's your real account. How do you not have a wrench? I could have sworn to God you had a wrench. I'm like nervous to give you one. I don't know what's going to happen here. I'm just going to give you one. Oh, sorry, Venom Hex. Somehow I got you. Wow. I'm out of it. I'm out of it. But I'm recovering. There we go, Moggy. Alright, so let me see who I missed since I've been shouting people out. David Von Poke. What's up, man? Crawler, Low Mips, CHILLIN. How many BTC did you spend? I didn't spend any BTC. Spent some dollary dues, some fiats. What's up? Join Crypto UK. I like the fib on the day. I'll take a look at the fib on the day. I think we're right back to what, like 0.5. Guess it depends where you take it from. Do like that. 618. Take it from the higher high. Pretty much nothing. Pretty much nothing. Kind of interesting. If we use the greater swing high to low, we did begin retracement here, but we just clipped off the 382. Not the best look, to be honest. Luke John Naughty Ways, what's up, man? Visharts, how you doing, brother? Smash that like, says Itadaki Masuso. Thank you, my friend. Round Earth. The Earth is cube. It's actually a cube. Flat Earth, round Earth, they're both wrong. It's a cube. Cube Earth. Bitcoin is up only. It will be eventually. Sonic Alchemy Records subscribed today also. I believe it. It didn't show me. That happens. This thing doesn't always work. I'll try reloading the widgets. My volume might be up a little high. Let me tune this just a whisper down. There we go. Turn the volume down here and there. It doesn't always work. It's unfortunate, but I'll shout you out anyway. Unique World, how you doing, brother? Crypto Satchel, what's up, fam? Juice Toes, Real TA. I mean, we'll do a little Real TA today, but I'm still hurting, guys. I'm still hurting, so I'm just doing my best. Dago, Mr. Buns of Steel. Crypto Lifer, I met him in person in Miami, and honest, I was like pretty drinking in Miami. I don't know, did he touch my butt? I thought it was a joke. Maybe it wasn't a joke. What's up, Kato Eno? Lightning Zap, leaderboard for Noster at BTC Miami is such a great idea. I didn't even see that. That would have been a great idea. Dang. I should have seen that. Ricardo Rulavakaba. What's up, man? We gonna get the moon, gal. Okay. I'm ready to get that moon. What's up, Venom Hex? Vince Strong. What do I think of Tom? You guys ask me this every day. It's an ERC20 token. That's what I think of it. I do think it's, as far as I know, but I'm not an expert. But they did make the LP lock 69 years after I said it. I think that's cool. And as far as I know, renounce the contract. But still do your own research. I don't know. I don't have the technical ability to look into that myself. So you guys will have to. Wait. There we go, Moggy. You probably have 2 YouTube accounts. That's probably what happened. You don't recognize this voice? Yeah, my voice is gone. That's why I'm not going to do like a 3-hour stream today. What's up, Denim? Name here. Engaging. Engage. Let's see. Silent 45 Auto Xander. Jonesy and Riley. Denim, always nice to see you, my friend. Trey. Caramanta. Wrenchum. Wrench who? Yeah, exactly. How do they not have... I don't have Discord pulled up, and I'm not gonna pull it up right now because it might mess with the stream, but that does seem odd. I could have sworn they did. Smash the likes, help the viewership out. Thank you, Cryptogenic Dude. You're my man. Please, sir, can you have a wrench? Dale Russell, all wrenches are earned, my friend. I'm not saying you're not on your way. We can't be giving them out like candy. It's too much power. With great power comes great responsibility. By the way, I love this shirt. Hit Merch gave it to me. I love their merch. It's not even a shill. I mean, like, what isn't there for me to like about this hoodie? Evelyn Prez with the fire. How you doing, darling? I hope you are yourself fire. I hope so. Mad Cat Pat, yo. Low Mips. FOMO Sapien. Do I like the Tom bot? I mean, I don't know. I don't know. There's a lot of bots. Not a huge fan of bots in general. Nothing to do with Tom bot. What's up, Raymond Lee? GRT and Algo can have potential. I think everything has potential. I just don't think right now is the time to be looking forward in alts. Bitcoin Dominance says not the time to be looking to buy alts, in my opinion. You see a break of dominance up towards the 5860 zone. Boom. That's where we're going to look to snipe them, or that's where I'm going to look to snipe them. Cherry City Bullies. Well, it doesn't sound too bully, man, saying sub 10K biddy is around the corner. I guess I'll get to finally fill limit buys for the first time since March of 2020 if that happens. That'd be cool. Gotta travel more, crypto dude. I know the first cheap first class. Yeah, always riding the exit seats. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's like $30 and you get literally 5 times the room of a regular seat. It's crazy. Crazy. Let the beard grow. I did, but it has been. I shaved it as soon as I got back from Estonia, and this is how much progress it's made. It grew real fast there. Crimson Caravan, saw you earlier, my friend. Good to have you. What's up, Bad Baptist? Mr. Crypto, Bitcoin, and Charts. Shib all the way. How's Shib doing? What's up, Meme Ticks? Meme Ticks flat. Yeah, pretty much. Fujtabj Blus. Nice hoodie. Thank you. Thank you. What's up, John Crane? Glad you're safe. If you ever need any extra moderator help, you're always here. You know, it's the best way to become a moderator, honestly, is to be in the live chats, not be a dick, and to be in the Discord and just be active there. If you're active there long enough, we see that you're part of the community. You're not here to do weird stuff, and yeah, it's the best way to do it. What's up, Quarter Crawler? Who else did I miss? Lester. Ricardo. Hello, man. D. Shout out to monkeys, apparently. Monkeys. Okay. I mean, they're a good animal. Mad Cow 13 Crowntown. How you doing, bro? Lots of random monkey stuff. What's with this monkey business? Let's jump into the TA now. It says Fasal Shakil. I mean, like, I agree. T-Bone. Message me on Discord. Both of you send me your user IDs from your YouTube, and I'll make sure you have wrenches. I don't know how you don't have wrenches. Can you please not have a wrench? Jonathan Schaefer just moved up the list on getting wrenches. Vesemir. Back in the UK, done traveling the world. Good to have you, man. Good to have you back. You're coming at such a good time. We just had one of our OG members take a little crypto break. So we need you. You know, as dope as this hoodie is, I'm actually getting really hot already. Free strip show. All you gotta do is hit the like button. But it's a white hoodie, so I can't just throw it. God, I should not be given white clothes. White clothes, I'm not responsible enough for white clothes. All right. Airdrop the wrench. All right. What's up, K Bahamut? Chirpow. Tomorrow, FOMC minutes. 2 p.m. Be there. I had a great time with my animatrel. Dude, great. I always have a great time. Let's be real. Be real. Love your channel, bro. Thank you, Vince Strong. What's up? Quicker. There you are, man. You saw me all day. It's good to have you here. Revive. I La Lepra. Do I like Tom and Jerry? You know, it's... as a kid. But I was like... I'm not even going to get into it. It'll just hurt your feelings. Yeah, as a kid, I loved it. Everyone needs to get out a little bit of time. I like how 63% of you are saying yes. There's not a lot of people here. 200 votes is good. Let's end it. I have a second vote. So... yeah, 63% people saying I should travel more. So if I do, should I make like traveling content? Not like a travel vlog. I don't know. Should I just like make little videos or even possibly streams, but you know they won't be like our normal streams? Would you like that or not? That's the thing for me, is it's a rough time for YouTube traffic for crypto. The last thing you want to do is be posting content people hate. Mostly maybe like today's stream. Say add events. Yes, but yes. Let's say yes all. Yes, but still just TA. And then we'll do like a no. No. We'll say, I don't want to say no, just have fun, because I feel like you guys will choose that. I'm just going to say no. There you go. We'll do another poll. Let's see where this takes us. What are your feelings on her Chirpow tomorrow? Well, there's no Chirpow tomorrow. But there is the FOMC minutes from last month, and of course we are going to celebrate them. Of course we're going to celebrate them. It's 2 p.m. I'll schedule it as soon as this is over. What's up, Dave Digital? How you been doing, my friend? Good to see you. Sin. Getting hot seeing that hoodie. Yeah, it is hot here, actually. What places did I visit in Estonia? Old Town. Oh, Tallinn. Tallinn. I went to a lot of saunas. Take it off. Yo, Craig Tennessee, how you doing, brother? Been a while. Crypto Dom, my friend. I will tell you guys, you will know the bull market is here when I win around the blockchain. I said it like a year and a half ago. I was like, I'm not going to win until it's the bull market again. So as soon as I do, it's on. Weird stuff's your thing. Same, we're all weird. We're all weird as hell here. What's up, Rave Song Records 1J? Is this 20 minutes of me reading chat out loud? I guess, man. I stream. I have thousands of hours of streaming live TA. I was just traveling. How many even days this month did I travel? Like all of them. We're going live again tomorrow. I'll have energy. We'll do actual TA and we'll do stuff. This is just a chart and chill. That's why the title says so. If you don't like that, I don't know what to tell you. Like, if I blow my voice out right now, I won't be able to speak tomorrow. It's so hot. Thanks, man. Have I seen the AI pic of me and the cat Tom? Nope. I have. Well, maybe. I don't know. It's hard to tell now. It's just all over my feed. All over my feed. It's hard. Glad you're back. Treat yourself to a little bit of Ben. Good for you, Dr. Crypto. What's up, Learning? Good to see you, bro. Dave Digital has a wrench. Yes. Dave Digital has been contributing to Crownanalysis.com and thus part of the team. If you guys start writing articles for Crownanalysis.com, you'll also get a wrench. You publish for like consistently for a bit, you got it. You don't do polls digital orgy, you only do digital orgies. That's okay, my friend. It's okay. Drinking out the pool, dude. In Miami, it's like the sun, the heat, and drinking, and like a lack of water, and you're just wrecked. New channel, Crown getting around. Well, there are some rather beautiful women involved in the Miami trip, so getting around. Getting around. I mean, that might have to be like a Twitter-only show. By the way, any kind of content can be posted on Twitter. I did not know that until recently. What's up, Crypto Moose? You've been deployed. Thank you for your service, man. We going to 10K? Are we good? I mean, you ask me, I think we're good. I don't think we're going to 10K. I don't think we're going to 15K. I don't know. 10K from here is another almost like 60% drop. I mean, it's not possible. I don't know. I have too many orders there. I have too many limit buy orders from like 13.8 down to just nothing. I don't think I'm lucky enough. Glad you're back. Tacos with the grandson today. It's his 9th birthday. Well, happy birthday to him. Happy birthday to him. It's only 118 votes, 120 votes, but I know that this is like the core crew. If you're watching me just like be tired and not have a voice, you guys want to see all kinds of content. All right. That means on my next trip I have to bring like a camera guy. I also learned what a handler is on this trip. Apparently all like famous people have handlers. I don't know. I need one. I'm too ADD. You are in the Tom community, right? Asks Unique World. I am in the Discord, if that's what you're asking. I am. The only real one. If any other ones join, you should ban them. They're not real ones. Be careful. Be careful. Lots of fake accounts. Very different between 22 and 23. Craig Bowen. Absolutely, man. Sentiment in 22 was bearish but engaged. Sentiment this year was kind of hype, January, February, and then dead. Just dead traffic. Like, dead. About April 14th, I think all of YouTube traffic dropped in half. All of YouTube crypto traffic dropped in half. But that's also every summer that happens. So probably perfect storm of we're so zoomed in to make this look like anything. Like, this is all of the year, which is great. I mean, it's undeniably bullish at the moment. Like, low, higher low, still a higher low, still a higher low if it just doesn't go below 19.5. It's just not an exciting bullish. It's like a hella boring bullish. The like least exciting ever. But you know, that's kind of crypto's MO, or at least Bitcoin's MO. It does like to be boring before it makes its big moves. I have no doubt that we will get a wild move out of whatever this is. Out of whatever pattern we want to call this. Call it like a descending channel, probably. Yeah, I tried to draw this before. It didn't really work right. Do it like that, maybe. I don't know. Call it a descending channel. I don't know. You can call it a head and shoulders. Neckline's a little weird on the head and shoulders. Like, it's not really normal head and... Not really a normal head and shoulders. I mean, the thing that works about this pattern is that high wick on the 15th is basically the neckline back test. But the problem is then you'd expect continuation to the downside. Nothing's happened. Nada. I don't know. I have no idea. I think we just get a gibberish pattern here. I think just trade sideways. We'll likely get a fake break up or down. That wick might have been it. But I think we'll get a fake break up or down. Whichever direction it goes first is the direction I don't think it'll go. Like if we see this just rocket up, probably just below kind of 31. But like breaking 30.3 or 30.5 around where most shorts have their stops, I'd be pretty bearish. I honestly want this to break to the downside, maybe to fill in down here. This is a fair value gap on the day. 24.3, we've talked about this before. I would prefer to see that, but I prefer it to be a wick. I want it to be like this candle, where it just snap back up. If we hit 24.3 and snap back up before like a day closes, just intraday, I'll be like full on bull again. For now, I'm full on crab. It's just like all crab. There's really just nothing happening. The weekly on market cipher B look like crap, but the daily actually looks pretty good. You have VWAP high, money flows coming up, momentum faked out, then corrected, trending up. I mean, it's not bad. The weekly just looks like garbage. Okay, no, I thought I was getting alerts. I got very few alerts. Very few alerts falls away. Kind of things of interest that happened, though. Dollar had some strength. Had some strength while I was in Miami. I don't really love where it's at now. Let's be real. It seems like almost any time frame you look at, there's bearish divergence on like this high right here in the dollar. It's there on the weekly. It's not quite there on the weekly. But it could suggest, I don't know, like 104 RSI comes up. Boom, you have weekly bearish div. You have it on the day. No, do you not have it on the day yet? Eh. The 104 actually really looks right. It's like you're bringing that up. You have it on the day. I was looking at it at lower time frames earlier. This is also why I didn't want to do like super in-depth TA today, because you guys, I'm still freaking beat. Here we go. Yeah, I was looking at like a 12 and stuff. Boom. Equal highs, lower high on RSI on the 12. I guess this might be too zoomed in. But the same is true down on the 4. You have like equal highs, maybe slightly higher highs, RSI is down. I'm seeing bearish div. I wonder if it plays out like this, though, up to like 104.6 and then gets faded. The dollar is just a hard freaking thing, man. Like, what even is happening on the dollar? Just get rid of all lines. Blow off top. You don't really get a lower high. Like, maybe you can call that a lower high, but I don't know, maybe. And you just fall. Beautiful falling pattern, which you would expect to break out, gets faded immediately. And it just goes right back to that level, continues to test 101. I mean, that is macro support for the dollar. For like decades, that was resistance. But the more you test it, the weaker it becomes. And so what is really happening? What is really happening here is you have a high, which looks like a blow off top to me. You have a lower high. So what happens here? We go to like the 104. You have another lower high. Boom. What are you painting? You're painting down. But even that hasn't changed. Like the dollar is barely moving. I don't know. I'm just not sure how to feel. I think by tomorrow I'll be a little better, a little more recovered, a little ready, more ready to be hyped. If you have not subscribed and hit the like button, despite my low energy, which is awful right now, do it anyway, just so you can come back tomorrow and you can give me a chance to prove you wrong. That's right. You guys let us know what I like to drink. Anything but tequila. No tequila. What's up? Doesn't matter. How you doing, bro? Do what needs to happen while you're there. True that, man. But if I had... So basically why I brought that up is like a lot of channels now are big enough where they have like people go. They have like camera person. Then they have something called a handler, which is like an executive assistant, which I desperately need. Just like keeps you on track. Keeps you focused, looks out for you. And that would make it a lot easier to make content. It would. Really, because it's like motivation. It's like, I have these people here. If I don't make content, I'm wasting all of our time. I don't know. Big influencer budget, I wish, man. Maybe back in the day, maybe last year. Not as much this year. Lawrence D, the day I buy Tom, you will fly to a crypto convention and hand me a bottle of booze. Well, they did send me 1 million of them. I have not moved them. I don't plan on moving them, but I didn't buy them. What's up, Tito Gaines, Nick Gerber? What's happening on the day of you had debt decision? I railed on this before I even left for these trips, guys. The U.S. has raised the debt ceiling 78 times in 60 years. Why are we freaking out about 79? Like, they're gonna do it. If they don't do it, I don't even know the point of like thinking about it. It would just be unheard of. It would be unheard of. Partisan politics is toxic AF, and that's why I don't do them here, because I think both parties are trash. But we don't have to get into that. But neither party stands to gain anything if the U.S. defaults. Like, there will be a country after, but neither party like benefits from that. They're just playing their freaking political games. It's the same ones, neither side specifically, but it's the same ones. Both sides play on everything, and it's really irritating. And that's why I hate U.S. partisan politics. I hate it. Because they would rather the other people look bad than to help you and me. Like in any way. It's a bunch of crap. But I'm not here to rant about that today. Maybe tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow. Kaiser says Salvador is heaven. Salvador is an interesting place. I don't know if I'd feel safe there quite yet. What's up, Mr. Pow Pow? Mr. Pow Pow. Tequila, dude, I just can't drink tequila. Don't know why. No idea why. Bourbon, scotch, whiskey, all day. Tequila, nope. Don't know. You know how people say 420, they're like, this gives you like, this one gives you the, like some really descript different thing. And it's like, no, dude, they all just do the same. They all just get you high. I feel that way about alcohols too. But I'm wrong. Like tequila, just every time I drink it, it just makes me like angry. Like it's not fun. It's like aggressive and angry. I have no idea why. So I've just avoided it for years. Easy peasy. Easy peasy. It's that easy. Also, I think it tastes like crap, so. Tony Vase told me that I haven't had good tequila and that he would buy me good tequila when he sees me. So maybe he'll change my mind, but for now, no thanks. My real drink of choice is the White Claw or the Truly. Go debt, says Afeni. Let's go debt. Here's the real thing we should wonder is not if they're going to pass the debt ceiling change, but it's like how long until they do it again? More than once per year on average, chemo crypto. Exactly what I'm saying. There's no point of freaking out about it. And if if we do, like if it does somehow in some crazy scenario happen, there's literally nothing we could have done about it anyway. So what's the point of getting riled up? I don't know. Tom for president, Pascal Catman, let's say 2028. Last year, 30K people in Miami, only 15K now. Did you guys see my tweet? It's like actually relevant to that and good. One sec. Relevant to that and good. This is one of my favorite ones from the whole trip. Here we go. Let me show you guys. I'm actually proud of this one. Gotta like make sure it doesn't pop out in my chat with all my secret conversations. There we go. This is my favorite tweet I made. Bitcoin conference last year versus this year. This is genuinely funny. This was the bull they had last year, and it was awesome. It was just so cool. I wonder where that bull is, by the way. Did someone like take that home? I don't know. But then I was walking to the convention. I was walking to the convention and I walked past this awful polygon bear, and it wasn't related to the convention, but it was just so, it was like too good not to make that joke. It's like, well, that's their new mascot. This like low budget bear. Last year they had this like Transformer Optimus Prime Megatron bull, and now they got the polygon, not even painted, not even like decorated bear. Bear market times, my friends. Bear market times. Bear marketo times. I was going to go through the weekly rundown. Johnny Walker. I do love Johnny Walker. Does the same to you, Vince? Dude, I have no idea why. I don't get it. I don't get it, and I don't believe in that stuff. I don't believe in it. Oh, bro, you smoke this. You're going to have like it's going to calm you down, and it's going to wake you up. It's going to make you good at math. It's going to, like, all these, like, and I'm like, yeah, none of that does any of that. But tequila does something. I don't know what it is. I don't know why. I don't know why or what. I think it's because I'm Irish. I don't think Irish, maybe we're not meant to drink tequila. So, you know, let's do this because Mr.PAPI is a talented writer, and I'm still exhausted. And he published this on Crownanalysis.com. He does this every week. He apologized, though he never needs to apologize. He apologized because he said this one isn't quite as flushed out as the previous. There's the link. But he never needs to apologize. Neither do any of the writers. Anyway, so let's see what's on his mind here. Tuesday, Canadian holiday. Okay, how about it? Thursday, Euro manufacturing, UK composite manufacturing, Services PMI new home sales. Actually, is new home sales out yet? It is out yet. I'm curious about new home sales. I didn't even think I would end up. I didn't even think I'd end up like looking at this. But if you guys remember, last month I was blown away by new home sales. Yeah, we're definitely gonna look at that. Sorry. I don't know, I'm apologizing. We're definitely going to look at that. I was blown away. It looks like they're up. Boo! Boo! They're up. Alright, maybe it wasn't new home sales. Maybe it's pending new home sales. Dude, this is so intentional. All these like really similarly named things. It's not meant for normal people to understand. It's not. Federal Open Committee meetings. As I said, we will be live here tomorrow for that. 100%. You bet your bottom dollar that tomorrow we'll be there for that. And I'll have energy. It won't be like this. Initial jobless claims. We looked at this earlier. Bitcoin continued indecision. Gonna agree with Papi here without even reading anything. Yep, some kind of descending pattern. We're chilling in this tight range. Amen. Ooh, now we continue to the Bitcoin USD chart adjusted for money supply, which is not this, but it's hard to tell actually if it is or isn't. Interesting. I assume he means below. Oh, wait, no. We continue to use the... Okay, that was my bad. So this is the money to supply. But it looks exactly the same, right? Was there any difference? It's by crude. That's by the crude one. By money supply. Rejected from previous all-time high last time we looked at it. Yeah, I mean, I'll give it to... Actually, I'll shout PAPI out here. This is more descending than Bitcoin itself. That's a little bit cleaner of a descending pattern. It is reminiscent to me, even being this hungover, of Total. Total looks more like Bitcoin adjusted with some money supply. Yep, very nice, clean, descending channel. Very similar. Alright. Then on the macro rate, really very similar, isn't it? Oh well. Let's continue. Bitcoin continues a sideways indecision. We have observed a small breakdown following a head and shoulders pattern, extending from March, but it quickly bounced to a new low of 25.8 back to trading the current range of 27. Volume is decreasing and momentum. RSI and TSI reflect weak to moderate bullish divergence. Truth. Although again, I'm going to interrupt this. I'm never going to get through this. We might as well throw in the towel. But Mr.PAPI, you did awesome work. So we figured this out, or we noticed this on the last live stream, and I didn't hear anyone else talk about it before us. Here's Binance. Binance had been crushing the volume, right? Whoa, 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 whoa. Increasing volumes, increasing prices. This is the bull market. Then all of a sudden right here, volume flatlined. And live on stream, I was like, what in the actual F is happening? And as a community, we realized that fall off in volume has nothing to do with actual volume, which sounds weird.
I wish you would have worked the robe at the conference. Just saying. King of the ball. Respect, brother.
I didn't even think of it. That wouldn't have been a bad idea. Maybe next year when Bitcoin's like, when it's exciting and I'll wear it. People will be like, who's that guy in a robe? Who's that guy? 23rd March, right here. This is where the volume falls off. But Tom, what do you mean volume didn't really fall off? This is when Binance had 0% fees on spot. So what is this? It's just a ton of wash trading. Tons. As soon as that fee came back, that doesn't mean all wash trading is gone, but it does very much cut down on wash trading. Maybe only like the market makers at the exchange can really do it here. But when there's zero fees, think about it. If you have a bot that can just limit order back and forth, you can just create infinite volume. Just buy it and sell it to yourself infinitely. So that's the explanation of the drop off. So I have to say it kind of goofs Binance's chart up to the point where maybe it's not even very useful. Maybe it's not useful anymore. At least volume wise. It doesn't really matter. Like, it doesn't really matter if it's like the candles themselves or anything. They're relatively the same. But I think we have to use Coinbase again, and we always used Coinbase, so it's not a big deal. Not super exciting volume, I will say that. It is declining, unfortunately. Let's see. Move up here. Volume was increasing. And then, man, it just flatlined. But again, couldn't we make it... I'm not sure what to do with this information, guys. And here's some alpha, even though I didn't plan on or even think I'd be able to offer any alpha, is this. So Binance removed their 0% fees. So what happened? The wash trading ended, but what else happened? The people wash trading there, or even just people generally trading there, maybe moved off. Maybe moved off. Maybe they're only there because it was 0% fees. So maybe, let's see. Maybe around here they moved to a different exchange. They could have moved to Coinbase, but we don't really see it. I don't really see that on the volume. It's like as of right here, volume is declining, and that's not a great take. It's not a great take. In my opinion, my opinion hasn't changed at all. I feel like a broken record, but I'll tell you what, in 4 years of doing this, I spent a lot of time being a broken record. I don't think it'll actually go like this, but spent a lot of time being a broken record. But history has proven me right on a lot of stuff. I still think it'll be moved to 48K. I don't know if it looks like this. I have no idea. Especially if that volume is still falling like it is. That's potentially the short of a lifetime, not financial advice. It's taking its time, isn't it? I thought it was going to be by May. So I'm already wrong. I was saying by May 1st, but I was saying that also in January. You'll find that a lot of my predictions are wrong, plenty. But usually it's because I make them far out and then I stick to them. You know, I could have said like April 29th, like, yeah, no, I don't believe that anymore, but what's the point? Might as well just be wrong. Doesn't really matter. Don't really matter, right? Total is doing nothing. What's PEPE doing? Nothing. It's being a meme. BAM, what's BAM doing? Exploring new all-time lows, perhaps. What else do I have pulled up? Gold hit its all-time high May 1st and then has now crapped to bed. Not very exciting either. Dollar we looked at. The dollar could get very spicy. Like you said, moved to like 104. If it overshoots that, it could get pretty fire. Especially if it breaks the recent high in March. Maybe looking at 109, finally. Finally. That took its sweet time, didn't it? Oh, my voice is going. M2 supply. Still hasn't updated for April. I don't understand this chart. Why? It only updates once a month. I get that. But why doesn't it update in April? Why didn't it update? No April reading. No May reading, because it's May 1st. This is March 1st, February 1st. So it's missing 2 months, which is... Papi did great work. But why I've been saying it, Bitcoin divided by M2 supply is a little flawed. While Bitcoin could respond favorably to U.S. debt crisis, it's more likely to crush U.S. markets. U.S. debt crisis is not really a good thing for anyone. That's why I said I don't think it's really anyone in the U.S.'s best interest, either side of whatever belief or party you have. With crypto, initially you'd be on par with black swan events. Agreed. But guess what? As bad as black swan events are, the one in 2020 kicked off quite a rally on everything. So that might be better than just continuing to bleed as interest rate hikes continue and banks fold and gibberish. Let's see. Rallies above 105, exactly what we were looking about. Out would be strong. Below 101 would likely be bullish for not just crypto markets, but even likely all assets. Market sentiment peaked. Now it's back down. This is a great article. Papi's the man. You guys should check it out. Y'all should check it out. If you're tuning in for the first time, might as well say goodbye, because you're going to be like, I'm never going to come back to this. What is this guy's content even? He's just like tired on camera. Yeah. Just subscribe and give us another shot. You'll see. Crypto dude's giving us a shot. That's right, man. That's right. Oh my God. I'm hurting. Gold dropper gold to new all-time high. The debt ceiling is extended. Janet Yellen. It's funny her name is Janet Yellen. She always seems to be yelling about stuff. Said that the government won't be able to pay its debts by June 1st if it doesn't raise the debt ceiling. You don't raise the debt ceiling by June 1st and the government shuts down even for a day. I mean, I think that's a great news macro-based argument for gold, don't you? Might not be immediately, as even in Papi said in the article, Black Swanish. During the Black Swan, everything dumped. It was just how fast the things recover. I believe Bitcoin will recover, as it did in 2020. Basically the fastest and the strongest. Bring on the swans. Bring the swans. DGAF on tap tool. I don't know what that is, ADAs. I thought they were saying something about an ordinal. I'm hurting so bad, Time Maverick. I should drink some turmeric and ginger. Yep, I should. Here's my thing. Just print the money. Just print the money and build. Here's my idea, guys. If you vote for me for president, this is my only thing I'm running on. Oh, obviously pro crypto. But here's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to print trillions of dollars, and I'm going to build power plants. I'm going to build chip fabrication plants all over the United States. That's it. That's my entire platform. Done. How's that sound? We print money all day, every day, and we do nothing with it. We give it to rich people. Let's print money and add value to the country. That's a crazy concept, I know. I like how 87% of you think I should make content while I travel. Hell yeah. Amen. Right on, guys. I appreciate you. The fun part is during this live stream, Bitcoin has also really done nothing. It's pretty much right back to where it started. It's fallen 0.6%. Here's what you should do. You should jump in the Discord. I will airdrop you some Bitcoin. I'll make you all Bitcoin holders just by being in there. It's a pretty sweet deal. All you have to do is verify. Oh, you should use my links. tomcrown.io. It's pinned to the top of the chat. Discord links in there. Exchange links are in there. Using them costs you nothing. You'll get some bonuses. And I mean, that's crap you're using anyway, right? But join the Discord. You'll get some BTC after the show, and we will be live tomorrow for the FOMC Minutos. FOMC Minutos. Let's see. Okay, everything's still good. I have an idea before I do this. It's going to be a good time. I'm going to have more energy. I did a lot today, and I went to the gym at 5 in the morning because I couldn't sleep because I'm still jet lagged. I'm going to sleep like a baby tonight. You believe me? Like a baby. Like a baby. But we'll be doing that tomorrow. Let's say like 1:50 p.m. How's that sound? Because you don't want to do it right as it starts, or else maybe you can't find it. I think that's a good deal. If you think it's a good deal, you should probably just go ahead and smash that like and subscribe. If you don't think it's a good deal, go ahead and smash that like and subscribe. All right. I love you, fam. I'm hurting so bad. I am going to go get some tea. I'm going to go chill. I have a Twitter space in 5 hours with Gareth Soloway. I'll tell you guys a secret. Actually, I really enjoyed the last space I was in. That's the majority. But the real majority is because that Jess girl. Oh boy. She a cutie. Jess Crown. Look it up on Twitter. It's not actually her Twitter, but that's what I called her. But I'll see you guys tomorrow for Chirp How, and it'll be a hell of a time. I love you, fam. Crown out.